morning, sunshines. Welcome back to another episode of my Pretend Baking Show. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 easy cupcakes for St. Patrick's Day. And if you're last minute like me, these are perfect just for you. We're going to be using 2 piping tips today. We're going to be using 1M and 4B. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that... Okay. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe and you hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when I upload my next video. Alright, don't mind my ugly cupcake. I scraped off that last buttercream. But we're going to be using tip 4B and we're going to create a nice little swirl. With this cupcake, we're going to be using tip 1M and we're going to create a pretty little rosette. With this last cupcake, we're going to be using 1M and 4B to create a couple of different designs on this cupcake. Okay, I'm not really sure what happened to the audio in this last clip, but I'm just showing you that I'm going to finish these cupcakes off with these little tiny candy bars that I made from a candy mold that I got off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description below. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.